Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to snap to grid. So if you want to snap to grid, first you need to show for the grid tools. You can click these icons to show grid. And then to snap, you can go to snap menu and then click on grid. So if you draw lines in it, it will be automatically snapping into grid like this. I will draw again, like we can draw rectangle by using these tools, rectangle, and the first point will be connect into grid. If you want to set into free, you can go back into snap and then use free tools, and it will be automatically free drawings without snap to grid. So if you want to change again, you can click here, snap, and then choose grid. Okay, that's it for a basic QCAD tutorial how to snap to grid. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.